Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are here today on Thursday morning, and yesterday was wild. The Fed did not cut interest rates, they held steady. A lot of people were looking for that cut, but yesterday's video, if you didn't see it, please feel free to watch it. I gave you exactly what conditions would occur if the cut didn't occur. And now we are going to start discussing what that means moving forward for assets. Before we get started, guys, you can see today I'm looking at Dixie on the dollar index, and I don't know if I did it yesterday or the day before yesterday's video. I gave you guys the idea that, hey, Dixie is putting in a rounding bottom, and then we should get some upside. And while we're getting some upside on Dixie, that should put inverse relationship on Bitcoin and ETH, meaning as Dixie is going up, we should see Bitcoin and ETH going to the downside, and that's literally what we got going on right now. But it did do a short squeeze first, which is what we expected. They went into the liquidity. We took her along like around 18 or 19, something like that, and then we had a TP of 2000 and we had a TP of 2050, TP2, and TP2 did hit. So right now the short squeeze is over in my opinion, and I actually shorted near 2050. So yeah, and I will look for my long, but I'm not even gonna rush that yet for now. I just want you guys to understand why I did what I did, so no one's like, oh, I'm like flooding the market, or I took that long knowing that I'm gonna take profit at 2000 and 250. I did it. I took the short after 250 was claimed and then lost. I took it around like 2040, something like that, 2030, something like that. It's no big deal. And then I'm gonna take a long, and I'm gonna straddle myself because we don't know. I'm gonna quickly look at this. We don't know. We don't know if ETH is about to reject here, right? So that's why 2050 was one TP, and then I had 2100 and 2150 next, but I didn't think we were gonna do that all in one day. Today, that's a possibility to get above 2100 and to go higher. But in this simple chart, you can see the yellow line is resistance. So we have not broken the resistance, so I am not looking for upside. If you want to quickly look at Bitcoin, same situation, but the good thing about Bitcoin is it is actually opening and closing above the EMA resistance. This is setting up an inverse head, in my opinion. This is trying to do something of that nature, but it's still taking some time. This is looking for upside, in my opinion. And we have room to go, almost another dollar. So this is what is going to mature now that everyone knows what the interest rates are going to do. And then once this plays its out, move out, you'll see the reaction on the other assets, because this is a global currency index. So the whole world is trying to digest the information. Now, my thought on the cut. If the cut didn't occur, the market has no easy monetary policy. So now tech stocks will take a hit, in my opinion. So Meta already is got itself right to where it needed to be. Where else can I look at? Where is Tesla and Nvidia? Here you go. Tesla. We just did a video on this, right? Look what Tesla's doing. Looking to put in a bottom, but now I am suspicious that this bottom is going to fail, and we're going to drag down a little bit lower due to the fact that no cut occurred. Since no cut occurred, how is the company going to rebuy the shares so the CEO can cash out? He can't take cheap loans because the money is still high interest. Let me go one more. What was it? NVDA. So this is doing what Bitcoin did. So NVDA and Bitcoin are correlating. Tesla and ETH are correlating. And that is something that you can use to your benefit moving forward. This is looking like a weakness, though, that the yellow is under the purple and we are opening and closing underneath it. Bitcoin was opening and closing above it, looking for upside. So maybe money from these nasty corrections is going to flow into crypto. And that's something for you to consider moving forward. Let me quickly look at Solana. Another one. It looks like it's ready to go to the upside, but I would my faith in the upside has been tarnished due to the fact that the cut didn't occur. So now I am much more protective of downside. Look at Ripple. This is dangerous descending price action with wicks over here. Once you lose this level, you're going to do a bigger drop, okay? So please, 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 if you can't see this head and shoulder, please do something with yourself. I don't know. Here's Algo. We did a video on it, and I think we did it at like 18 something, and it's already up a little bit, but still at resistance, which we said in the video. And that's basically it. I mean, excuse me, guys. It's early. It's 5:30 in the morning here. I don't see any true uh, upside like proof. Look, we got a gap fill here on Bitcoin, so that's probably a good sign that this liquidity price efficiency is situated. Now we could basically go sideways and up as long as we don't bearish engulf this 78,000 again. ETH on the CME, and you can see how much worse ETH is. And wow, 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 wow. ETH is in it's like a different situation on ETH. ETH did its liquidity grab and then some. I have more rubber band reversion to the mean hopes for ETH than I do for Bitcoin right now, and I think ETH can get to 2,200 without any real big headaches. So I hope that is good. I don't really have too much left for a random like recap video. I'm trying to think of what else I can go over. The last thing about Dixie, guys, this thing has a big room to like 105. So this next move that comes here, okay, just as we open and close outside of 104, from 104, the next leg up it does is where all the damage is going to come from all the drop on all the other assets, okay? All the other assets is gonna take that hit if we leg up from here. If we can just go sideways and down, we can have a nice relief rally. But if Dixie gets up there today, because now Asia had time to digest it and USA digested it, short squeeze is over. Anyone who bought the top yesterday is officially in the red. And now today, if we impulse down more as Dixie impulses up, all of those people will get liquidated, causing capitulation situation to deeper dive on the downside. All the people who bought the dip on those tech stocks now have to decide after the rate cut did not go through if they're going to hold it or if they're going to dump it at a loss. So there's going to be a lot of volatility coming to the markets, and that volatility is very beneficial. Yesterday I did sell my shares of AMC, so right now I am like 99% cash. I am out of all equities. I am out of almost all crypto. I do have an ETH short, but it's an USDT. Excuse me. I have no real position other than USDT and the leverage assets that I'm trading on MEXC. So that's why I'm ready for whatever happens. If we leg up, I can buy on a retrace on support. If we leg down, I will look to find some liquidity and buy the support of that liquidity, and then try to take profit as we uh, try to expand out of that level. So that's my plan moving forward, guys. If you have any of those questions or concerns, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel first if you haven't already. Like the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what you think and what the next video should be on. If you haven't already, please feel free to join our Discord server. The link to the server is in our description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much. And then, yeah, last but not least, we're gonna have some time until the next Fed meeting, so get ready for some volatility consolidation chop. And some of the smart people, if you're accumulating positions, do it calmly and slowly because now you have plenty of time. There is absolutely no rush for upside in the market now. So, yes, be prepared for downside liquidity grabs. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.